In front of me is Motorola Edge, and let me show you how to manage messages notifications on the following device. So first of all, you have to open the settings, then find and select apps and notifications, go to all apps, and now locate messages. And here they are, so just mark them, go to the notifications, and here you can show notifications or you can hide them. So now they are deactivated, but if you will mark it, you will be able to see each notification. And now if you want to customize it, just click on advanced, and here you can allow notification dot or you can turn it off. And if you will click on additional settings in the app, you will be able to, for example, click on automatic previews. You will be able to activate suggestions in chat and so on. So if you click also on notifications, here you can switch off incoming messages, show notifications, and in advanced, as previously, you can allow notification dots. And this is it, that will be all. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.